In the past 2 years, the two most useful websites that I found for college work is Quizlet and Easybib. Easybib is a website where you can go and create your own citations for papers, and without getting the upgrades or anything, you can make citations for MLA format. The APA and all those are locked for whenever you upgrade, and so like you can do a website, you can do chapters of a book, you can do the whole book, you can do practically any kind of citation that you need, and all you have to do is just like copy a web page or something in here and just hit cite, and it will try to find the information for you, and what it can't find it'll ask you to fill in. I've already got the stuff filled in here, but you can just go to the web page and find it. And then the second website that is useful for me is Quizlet, which is a study website. You can create flashcards that you can quiz yourself with. You have the option to learn, which you just get more questions that are harder to answer until you know it really well. They have where you write out your answers, and then ones where you spell out the word whenever it gives you the definition. The test basically just gives you all the questions in a test format. Match is kind of like a mini game. You just have to drag it to the answer. And then the last option that you have is Gravity, which is like an asteroid game where you can either answer with the term that you're doing or the definition of the word, and then you answer whatever the thing is for it. So like this, it'll slide down here, and then you'll just answer whatever it is the answer is, and you just play the game until you feel confident enough in all of this, and it really helps with studying, and it makes it a lot easier to do. And it keeps track of it all at the bottom and what you need to work on after you finish so that it's easier to study.